Good morning, technical analysis fans. My name is Victor and I'm a coach here at Safehouse. Are you wondering what's going on with the markets? Have you been perhaps on a break and are coming back to the charts and are just a little bit lost and need a little bit of help or guidance processing all this information coming your way? Well, if that's the case, stay tuned. Let's get started with Bitcoin. This is the BTC USD pair on Bybit. And I have a few things on my screen. This is actually what I am using today and to start planning this week. There's a daily level on there. There's the weekly open. There's two weird things here. One up here with a red line in between, a blue one at the top and then at the bottom, and the same similar thing down here. This weird orange line here, the previous week low. And you're maybe wondering, oh, what is all this stuff? What is he doing with this stuff? Well, you might also notice I have an alert on this level here. Does that mean, am I going to do something there? I'm going to enter, I'm going to exit. Well, all of this is possible, obviously. But first I make a plan. I choose which levels are the most important for me personally. And this is very, very key. Any plan that you make is for you personally, yeah? You will approach the markets differently than me and then everyone else. That's why a customized plan is very, very important. Something that you decide to do yourself. If price, not when, if price gets to the levels that I'm looking at, then I can decide to participate or not. Very, very important in trading. Nobody tells you what to do. You have to tell yourself when to play and when to stop playing. You set the rules, you make the rules. So when I make a plan like this, I already know what I'm looking at. And even though I'm using different tools, additional tools to increase the probabilities for trade setups, I don't need them on my chart. Yeah. Over time, you will notice that you need maybe just a few things, perhaps at an alert or two, and your plan is made for the day, sometimes even for the week, and for high time frame analysis, even for months to come. Yeah. It really depends on how you approach things. So if you want to learn more about these concepts, which I cannot explain in a short video like this, then come over to Vanguard at Safehouse, and we have modules that explain exactly what these things are and how to use them. But that's not just that. That's not enough. It's not enough to watch some videos that are available on an online course or even to attend a seminar. The real learning comes when you start applying these concepts. And that's where the true beauty, I think, of this community appears. It is a close-knit community of people with similar interests in trading, even though we come from all over the world and lead very different lives. We still come together with this one common passion, which is approaching the charts using technical analysis and trading on demo accounts, of course. So if that's also something that you're looking for and you feel a little bit lost or perhaps even lonely, I mean, this is not just for people getting into trading. I think people that have been doing it for a long time realize how lonely this job can be. Yeah, it's a very strange job in a sense. And it's also very nice, you know, to get in touch with people that are in the same, going through the same motions as you. I think that's very, very special. And that's what, one of the motivations to build something like that. Yeah. Of course, we have other plans and ideas for the future, but you know, let's take it step by step for now. And the message that I want to send across is, yes, there is a way to approach price movements across all possible different assets in a systematic way, in a consistent way that will help you become a profitable trader. It's going to take time. It's going to take effort. No doubt about that. Yeah, I'm not going to lie and then just tell you that this is a get rich quick kind of thing. That isn't the situation at all. Yeah. So there's no need to rush into anything, but things like FOMO, for example, will disappear once you start realizing that all of these things happen over and over and over across all different markets. Yeah. There's nothing new under the sun. These things have been around for decades and hundreds of years, ever since the Amsterdam Stock Exchange opened in 1600. Yeah, pretty much. And even before that, through other methods. Yeah. So it's all about recognizing these different movements that do repeat themselves, even if they're not exactly the same, and starting to adapt to the fact that all you have to deal with are probabilities and that you need very, very good risk management. Yeah, this is the kind of stuff that we keep hammering on during our daily sit reps. That's for the premium members, where we go into detail, not just Bitcoin here, what you see on the screen, but on other assets. Yeah, I myself, I'm into Forex, I'm into commodities, I'm into crypto, into stocks, indices. I mean, the only thing that limits the potential is time. You need to pick your battles. Yeah, you can't do them all. And yeah, you want to do other things with your life too, not just this. Yeah. So if this sounds interesting for you, then come join us. George just finished a public live market update this morning. And for the rest of the week, we will continue to do these, as well as special sessions within the Discord server. For example, in the mornings, I pop up the trading stage, and then I show exactly how I build up my charts for the day. What I find useful, what I don't find useful. Why do I delete this? Why do I keep that? And how do I form that plan, for example? Yeah. And you're also you can also post questions about that if you have any questions. And we also have things like the opening bell session on Wednesdays and sometimes on other days too, where we go through the opening of the most powerful trading session on the planet, the New York trading session. So I hope to see you very soon on Discord. We are very, very excited about the coming months, because I think this is just the beginning of something really, really special. So join us and let's have some fun on the charts. See you there. Bye bye.